With inflation on the rise and restaurants closing at an alarming rate, the industry has never faced a tougher time. However, these challenges also bring new opportunities for growth if you know where to focus your efforts. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 restaurant marketing strategies that are proven to work even in this difficult environment. Stick around because these tips can help turn your restaurant into a thriving business, no matter the economic pressure. The restaurant industry in 2024 is a mixed bag. On one hand, we're seeing inflation rates soar, which has driven up food costs, labor expenses, and overheads. Fewer people are dining out as they tighten their budgets, and as a result, the industry is seeing a higher than normal rate of restaurant closures. In fact, some experts estimate that up to 20% of independently owned restaurants might shut down in the next year alone. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Many restaurant owners are pivoting their business models to adapt to these changes, using smart marketing and operational strategies to keep their businesses afloat. The good news? For those willing to innovate and shift their approach, there are still plenty of opportunities to thrive. Before we jump into the top strategies, it's important to remember, this isn't the first time the restaurant industry has faced hardships, and it won't be the last. Restaurants that stay nimble and focus on long-term customer relationships are often the ones that survive. Let's dive into the marketing strategies that can help you not only survive, but thrive in this challenging environment. Strategy number 1, leverage social media marketing. Social media remains one of the most powerful marketing tools in the restaurant industry, and it's more relevant now than ever. As dining out becomes a more calculated decision due to higher costs, people are turning to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to discover new places to eat. The key is not just to post, but to post smartly and consistently. Showcase your unique value. What makes your restaurant special? Is it the ambiance, the carefully crafted menu, or the personalized service? Share these stories through high-quality visuals, short videos, and customer testimonials. Your audience wants more than just food, they want an experience, especially if they're spending their hard-earned money in a tough economy. Behind the scenes, content share the process behind your dishes, from sourcing fresh ingredients to preparation. This transparency helps build trust with your audience, and it gives customers a deeper connection with your brand. User-generated content encourage your customers to share their experiences at your restaurant on social media by running a contest or creating a hashtag. Featuring their posts on your own profile builds community and offers free advertising, while also creating loyalty among your patrons. Social media is more than just likes and follows. It's about engagement, and engagement means building relationships that can convert to long-term, repeat customers. Strategy number 2, optimize local SEO. Let's talk about something incredibly important, but often overlooked by restaurant owners: local SEO. In today's digital age, your restaurant must be easy to find online, especially by those looking for a nearby dining spot. Statistics show that nearly half of all Google searches have local intent, meaning people are searching for businesses in their area. If your restaurant isn't optimized for local search, you're missing out on significant business. Google My Business Optimization. Make sure your Google My Business listing is fully optimized. Update your contact information, hours of operation, and add high-quality photos of your food and location. Don't forget to use relevant keywords like best family dining in your city to boost your visibility. Focus on online reviews. Online reviews play a huge role in local SEO. Respond to every review, both positive and negative. This not only improves your customer service reputation, but also signals to Google that your business is active and engaged. Local citations. Make sure your restaurant is listed in local directories like Yelp and TripAdvisor. These citations help search engines verify the legitimacy of your business and improve your ranking in local search results. By ensuring that your restaurant shows up in local searches, you'll be more likely to attract nearby customers who are actively looking for dining options. Strategy number 3, partner with local influencers. Local influencer marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach your target audience, especially when traditional advertising budgets are tight. These influencers, particularly micro-influencers, have a strong, loyal following and can generate authentic content that resonates with their audience. Why micro-influencers? Work. Micro-influencers typically have followers between 5,000 to 50,000, but their engagement rates are often higher than larger influencers. This means that their audience tends to trust their recommendations more, making them ideal partners for local businesses like restaurants. How to choose the right influencer. Look for influencers who already focus on food, lifestyle, or local events in your area. Their followers are likely interested in discovering new restaurants and dining experiences. Reach out to them with a personalized message, offering a free meal or experience in exchange for a post or story on their social media. Trackable campaigns. Make sure you track the effectiveness of each campaign. Use custom discount codes or ask influencers to direct their followers to specific pages on your website where you can measure the impact of their promotion. Influencers bring credibility and a personal touch that resonates more with audiences compared to traditional ads. In challenging economic times, this can be the difference that drives people to your restaurant. Strategy number 4. Run special promotions and events. Even though people are spending more carefully, they still look for deals and experiences. Running special promotions and events can help you stand out from the competition and draw in customers who are looking for value and excitement. Seasonal or event-based promotions. Create limited time offers based on seasons, holidays, or even current events. For example, you could offer a special fall menu with discounts on specific items or host a winter-themed dinner event. These limited time promotions create urgency and give customers a reason to visit now rather than later. Loyalty programs. Develop a simple loyalty program that rewards repeat customers. Whether it's a punch card or an app-based reward system, offer something that incentivizes return visits. This can help you maintain a steady flow of customers, even in a slow economy. Collaborate with local businesses. Partner with other local businesses to run joint promotions. For example, team up with a nearby coffee shop to offer a breakfast and coffee bundle. Cross-promotion helps expand your reach and attracts new customers to both businesses. Events and promotions add excitement and give your customers an extra reason to visit your restaurant. even if they're watching their spending. Strategy number 5. Invest in email marketing. Email marketing might seem old school in comparison to flashy social media tactics, but it remains one of the most effective tools in your marketing arsenal. Unlike social media, where algorithms can limit your reach, emails go directly to your customers' inboxes. Build a valuable email list. Offer an incentive, such as a discount or free appetizer, to encourage customers to sign up for your email list. The key is to build a list of engaged customers who genuinely want to hear from you. Personalized and timely offers. Use your email list to send personalized offers. For example, send a special discount for a customer's birthday or offer a meal deal during slower business hours. Tailoring offers to specific customer behaviors or preferences makes your email campaigns more effective. Content. Beyond promotions. Don't make your emails all about sales. Mix in behind-the-scenes content, share stories from your staff, or offer useful tips like cooking advice or wine pairings. Providing value in your emails will make customers more likely to open them and engage with your brand. With a well-maintained email list, you can directly communicate with your most loyal customers and encourage repeat visits, keeping your business thriving even when foot traffic slows. The restaurant industry may be facing challenges, but these obstacles don't have to define your business. By leveraging the right marketing strategies, such as social media engagement, optimizing your local SEO, partnering with influencers, running exciting promotions, and investing in email marketing, you can position your restaurant for success, no matter the economic environment. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving, adapting to new marketing trends, and staying connected with your customers can help your restaurant not only weather the storm, but come out stronger on the other side. If you found these strategies helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more restaurant marketing tips. Let's help your business not just survive, but thrive, even in challenging times.